lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I am so tired. I don't know what's wrong with me the past few days, but I say days, past few weeks, but especially like the past week, I have been dying. But we're here today to do a Spooky Box Club unboxing, and then I have to pack because it is quite late at night and I've been busy just doing a million things. I still haven't packed. And then I have a flight early tomorrow, so we're gonna do this now. But I am excited to be doing this before I go. So we've got two spooky boxes here, and the themes are box 94, the Witch's Cat. Oh, we love good cat theme box. And box 95, the Mortician, which I am very intrigued by. So we will be starting with the Witch's Cat, box 94. So let's pop it on open. Get rid of the theme. Gonna set this to the side so I don't have any spoilers. Okay, so right on top, I see mushrooms and a little snail. So I'm already very happy. Let's have a little peek. Oh, that's so fucking cute. Let me back up a little bit so you can see this. Hang on. Oh my god. I'm sorry, are we seeing how cute this is? I love this! I want to hang this up in here as soon as possible. This is so adorable. I love this! I think this is like possibly one of my favorite like little tapestry things that we've ever gotten one of these boxes. The mushrooms, the snails, the cat, little acorns and oak leaves. Yep, very good. Already off to a fantastic start with this box. Okay, the candy of the month is vegan blue fizzy stars. They're pretty good. Oh, this is a very cute necklace. Hang on. It is a lovely little cat skull necklace. I think that is so cute. All the little details are lovely. Very good. I can definitely see myself wearing this. Oh, that's cute. Hang on. We got a little bookmark here and it says you paused here. Has like a little bone, it has a little cat paw. That is adorable. And I don't currently know where like any of my bookmarks are, and I am once again back to using random bits of rubbish to mark my place on my book. So very good to have this. Gotta take that with me to London. We have a pack of very cute holographic stickers. Hang on, let me pull them out. We have one that says Meowgical. Look how sparkly! This smug looking little guy with a little skull up there. This one says powerful, like powerful, but with paws. And then we've got another very cute little sparkly cat and a little cauldron. These are so cute. I really want to put these on something, but I don't know what, because as always, the sticker commitment issues are real. Says me with all these tattoos, but God forbid I put a sticker on something in case I regret it. I think there's only two things left in here. So we have what looks like a pop socket, hang on, it's a little like pop socket phone grip thing, and it's this cute little fucking cat. That is adorable. I wonder if I have any phone cases this would work on. I'm trying to think if I have any that it would match. I'll have to have a look because I do love this and I do love having a good phone grip, and that is adorable. Finally, something that has me very intrigued. Ooh, I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if this is intended to be like hung on the wall or, what was it, upside down? Oh no. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is for, but it's very pretty. It's like a nice satin. It has like the cats. It's got like a little planchet, cat skull, a moon, some like little branches and stuff, crystals. It's very cute. We'll find out what it is right now. So we've got the Witch's Cat wall tapestry. Yes, we do indeed. It was my favorite thing in the whole box. It's so good. And then is the Magical Familiars silky hair or neck scarf. That's cute. You just do like a little like tie around or something. That's really cute. I guess you could also like hang it up, like if you had like a really skinny space on your wall or something, you could do that as well. It is very silky and soft. I do like that a lot. A Naughty Kitty pop socket for your Kindle or phone. Yep. Little paw bookmark. We did indeed get that. Don't know what happened to my voice there. Cat skull necklace, yes. Cat coven holographic sticker pack, yes. And spooky box candy of the month. Yes, we got everything from this box. I feel like there weren't a ton of things in there, but I really liked everything that was in there, and like that tapestry alone. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. So the next box is the Mortician box, and I am really curious. So let's have a little, ooh, do I see red? I have been asking for red in a spooky box for a long time. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna set this to the side because I love like all the purple stuff and everything, but like I've been in a red mood for a long time. So should we open this first? Even just the little pouch I'm gonna use, hell yeah. Ooh, it is a teeny, I just bopped myself on the nose. It is a teeny tiny little coffin shaped notebook. How cute, I love little things like this. It is purple on the inside. I do wish it was red, but it is still very, very cute. And all the pages are completely blank, so you can use it for taking notes or doing little like tiny sketches or whatever you want. So that is very cute. I do love a good pouch. The candy of the month is Bub's Big Sour Skulls. Oh man, I'm not gonna eat one of these right now because it'll take me 1,000 years, but they are big sour skulls. They're too chewy, I'd be here chewing forever. Ah! Woo! Ah! So there's a lot of really cute jewelry in here. If you can't tell, I'm pretty excited. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna grab the earrings first. Oh my god, I'm taking these to London with me. So, we got these real cute little skeleton coffin earrings. I think these are adorable. Catch the light, but I think you can see what they look like. Those are so cute. I think I might be going to the Last Tuesday Society while I'm in London, so maybe I will wear my little spooky skeleton earrings to see that. Yes, I'm going again. Don't judge me. I love it there. Something else in the box that I'm very happy about. But first of all, before we get into that, you can't have your spooky skeleton earrings without your very good spooky skeleton necklace. So I will also be bringing that with me. I'm really glad that I decided to do this like before going now, because now I have new things I can bring to London, and that is very exciting. Very cute. Oh! So the thing that I just screamed at is this little fly brooch with the little cross on it with the red eyes. Wait, where's my fly? Nope, wrong arm. There's my fly. I got this partially to go just like with the bug arm, but also the reason I got a fly specifically was the Airbnb that we stayed at in my London vlog, which by the way, if you haven't watched it yet, you should, because I really enjoyed making that video, and then of course because it was one I like, it didn't do very well. That's always the way, the videos I love the most are the ones that don't do well. But that Airbnb, like our actual Airbnb itself was like, apartment was totally fine, but then the stairwell of that whole place was like full of flies. It was like something with The Exorcist. They were just like all coating like all the windows, and it was so creepy. Like there's no bad smell or anything, but there were just so many flies, and I was like, did someone die here? So we're all joking that we should get matching fly tattoos. So then I went back to London a couple of weeks later and I got my fly. Everyone else still has to get their flies. But yeah, little fly brooch. Oh, I love that so much. Little bracelet. Ooh, I don't have enough bracelets. It's a little bracelet that says post-mortem, and I just think that is super cute. I wonder if there's any chance of me getting it on by myself right now. I know people gave me tips before on how to do a bracelet by yourself, but I don't have the required tools near me right now. I can't get it, but I'm bringing that with me as well because that is very cute. Yes. Okay, and there's just one more thing in here, and it's red. Oh, it's a good red. Oh, I love it. Oh my god. Oh, it's a bit small for my makeup, but look how good this is. I love this so much. It's definitely too small to fit like all my makeup, but this could maybe be like you know, if you're taking some pieces of makeup out like for the night, like your face powder and your lipstick and the things you need to touch up through the night, I could take this. And look how well it would, I mean you can't really see in this light. I've set my camera to auto just for now because I know the last time I did one of these it was too bright and people couldn't see the items properly, and I haven't quite figured out proper settings yet, so I've just set it to automatic for now so that we can see what we're doing while I figure that out. But Trust me, it matches and it's so cute. What is the inside? The inside is spider web. I love this. I think this is so gorgeous. I think Spooky Box should do more things in red because like this is so cute and so pretty, and I think it's like it feels a little bit more grown up goth than some of like the purple stuff. Again, I love the purple stuff and I love the cutesy stuff and I love like the really like whimsical vibe of the more like kawaii items. But I do like this little change in this box and I would love to see more of this in the future. I do think it's just like a bit more elegant and I just love it, and I'm definitely going to be using this and the jewelry because it is gorgeous. So yeah, I am so happy with both these boxes actually. These have been like a slam dunk for me. I don't know how. Also, leave a comment if you think Spooky Box Club should do more red things because I think this is a win and I just kind of want my way. But yeah, very, very happy about this. Very, very good. Oh. So we have the custom-made Mortician makeover bag, vegan leather with internal zip pocket, yes. Custom-made mini coffin pocket-sized sketchbook, yes. Custom-made last rites fly enamel pin, yes. Everything's always custom-made. Fly enamel pin, Barrel ground coffin necklace, onyx gemstone beads, all stainless steel construction, yes. The earrings, same thing, yes. And the postmortem plaque bracelet, all stainless steel, yes. And the candy of the month, yes. We got everything. I loved that box. That has been my favorite for a while. I really, really enjoyed that. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. As I mentioned in my rambly video that should be up before this, I have been hella struggling with my brain recently, so once again I am sorry for the absence. I am trying, guys. I know it doesn't seem like it, but believe me, if you're annoyed at me for not posting, it's nothing compared to the self-loathing I feel when I don't post, so I am trying. But I will see you guys soon for more. I will be back from London shortly and I want to get stuck into a good few videos I've been putting off. I've got some more hauls for you. If there's anything else in particular you really want to see, leave a comment down below. I've got some vlogs that I need to try to edit and see if I have enough footage. So there's some stuff going on. I just need my brain to behave and stop fighting me. But yeah, so before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, I would love you forever and ever. It is the best way to support me and this channel. And so thank you so much for all the support on there. Speaking of which, the Sebastian plush, I am aiming to have that hopefully sorted out by the end of August, so stay tuned. Also, if you do support me on Patreon, you will see it before anyone else, so keep an eye out for that. Leave a little comment, let me know what you thought, let me know if you think there should be more red things in the spooky boxes, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you've had a lovely day. Bye, lovelies!